In this video, I want to compare two really powerful marketing platforms that any online business can benefit from, Highlevel and Builderall. So I'm going to compare Highlevel with Builderall across a few important departments, including features, ease of use, pricing structure, customer support, and more. For your convenience, I've included links to both platforms in the description of this video. So now let's start with the features and functionality of Highlevel. So Highlevel is primarily designed for marketing agencies, and it offers a comprehensive suite of tools that include CRM functionalities, marketing automation, sales funnels, and extensive analytics. Highlevel is unique in its white labeling capabilities, which allows agencies to brand the platform as their own. It also provides tools for appointment scheduling, social media management, reputation management, making it a versatile choice for agency use. Now, Builderall, on the other hand, actually targets a broader audience, including small business owners, entrepreneurs, and digital marketers. Builderall offers a wide array of tools that includes website building, email marketing with automation, a sales funnel builder, chatbot and sitebot capabilities, and even a webinar platform. Its integrated approach makes it an all-in-one solution for businesses looking to manage all aspects of their digital presence. So in that sense, Builderall and Highlevel are both considered all-in-one platforms. Now let's talk about ease of use. So Highlevel features an intuitive interface that organizes its robust features in an accessible manner. The platform is designed to be user-friendly. It facilitates agencies to manage various marketing and tasks efficiently. But because there's a lot of different tools and stuff that are part of the platform, it can be a little bit overwhelming for complete beginners. There is a bit of a steeper learning curve, but everything's organized really well and it's not too hard to get started. Builderall also emphasizes ease of use with a drag and drop website builder and other marketing tools that simplify the creation of digital content and marketing automations. While Builderall offers a multitude of features, navigating through them may initially require a learning curve, especially for those that are new to digital marketing platforms. So both Highlevel and Builderall, because they're all-in-one platforms, there is a bit of a learning curve to getting started with them, but nonetheless, they have tons of free resources on the platform to actually help you get up to speed. Now let's talk about the integration capabilities of each platform, starting with Highlevel. So Highlevel was really built with integration in mind. You can integrate all sorts of different tools and popular platforms. So for example, you can integrate Salesforce, HubSpot for CRM, Stripe, PayPal, and Square for payments, and a bunch of other tools like ClickFunnels, Zapier, and more. So chances are any software that you're currently using in your marketing business can be easily integrated with Highlevel seamlessly. Now, Builderall also offers lots of integration with popular services, including social media, email platforms, and other marketing tools. However, its focus is more on providing a comprehensive toolbox within its own ecosystem. So they really do try to keep everything inside Builderall, so you don't have to use a bunch of different softwares and try to connect them, which personally I think is a better philosophy and it makes more sense, especially if you're an all-in-one platform. Now let's talk about the pricing plans, starting with Highlevel. Highlevel has two main pricing plans, the starter and the unlimited. Starter is $97 a month and the unlimited one is $297 a month. So what I really like about Highlevel is their 14-day free trial, so you can test out literally all the features on the platform for 2 weeks completely for free without a commitment. And starter is really good. You get literally everything you need to get a new business off the ground and making a ton of money. You get all the tools to capture leads, nurture them and turn them into customers, and then you can manage them with online booking, pipelines, you can build websites. And one thing that's really unique is that you get unlimited contacts and users, whereas with most similar platforms, they actually don't give you unlimited in their cheapest plan. Ironically, they would give it to you in their plan called Unlimited, whereas with Highlevel, you get this with their starter plan. So that's really cool. Now, if you do decide to get the unlimited plan, then you obviously get everything from starter, but you also get access to the API from Highlevel, so you can integrate it with literally anything. And then you get unlimited sub accounts, so you can have as many clients as possible, and you can also get a branded desktop app. Now, Builderall provides several pricing plans that vary depending on the number of domains, sub accounts, and features that are accessible. Builderall's pricing is designed to be as flexible as possible so that users can choose the plan that best fits their budget and their needs. And they also offer a satisfaction guarantee, so you can cancel anytime within 30 days of purchase for a full refund. So it's essentially like a 30-day free trial, which is definitely better than the 14-day free trial you get with Highlevel. You look at their plans, they have the core for $17 a month, the essentials, advanced, and premium, which goes all the way up to $261. And so you can read here all the stuff that's included. Builderall is relatively affordable, quite a bit compared to Highlevel. And at their plan, that's $102 a month, which is closest to the $97 plan with Highlevel. You can see that you get 5 published websites, 15 pro mailboxes, 3 gigs of storage. You can have up to 10,000 subscribers, send up to 200,000 emails per month, and have 2 team members. So this looks pretty good. There's definitely a lot of tools and features included in Builderall's plans. Now let's talk about customer support. So the customer support is really good on both platforms. I'm logged into my dashboard on Highlevel. If you click on the question mark, you can see that they have live chat and 24/7 call support. They also have lots of onboarding tutorials and other information to help you out. Builderall also has really good support via their help center, email, and through a vibrant community of users. You can click customer service and directly talk to their customer service representatives. So by now, you probably have a good understanding of both Highlevel and Builderall, but what do other customers have to say about them, and which one has better reviews? So let's go over to Trustpilot. So with Highlevel, they have a 4.9 rating out of 5 with over 2,000 reviews, and it's a verified company. So Highlevel is doing really, really well here. You can see almost all of their ratings are 5 stars with almost nothing below that. Lots of recent reviews as early as a couple days ago that are 5 stars, and people really like Highlevel. But what about Builderall? So Builderall has 68 reviews with an average of 3.6, and it's not verified here, but trust me, Builderall is a legitimate company. I guess they just haven't made their way onto Trustpilot. The rating is obviously much lower with way fewer reviews as well, so you can make of that what you will. Now, the decision between Highlevel and Builderall should really be based on your specific business needs and preferences, but here are some general recommendations based on my personal opinion. If you are a marketing agency looking for a comprehensive marketing platform that includes CRM, email marketing, social media management, and white label capabilities, then Highlevel is probably the better platform for you because it has all of those things. And if you are someone who wants to start a brand new business and you don't want to sign up to like loads of different software subscriptions, then Highlevel would be perfect because it has absolutely everything you need in one place for a relatively affordable $97 a month. And they offer a 14-day free trial so you can test the waters before committing. Now, where Builderall really excels over Highlevel is for general marketing and sales functionality, primarily due to its comprehensive all-in-one toolkit that includes lots of arrays, and it's quite cost effective. So if you're doing like social media marketing specifically, for example, maybe you're creating content on YouTube or Instagram, maybe you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting products and you want to set up an email list and automations, stuff like that, Builderall would probably be the better platform for you because it's way more affordable and it gives you everything that you need at that price. They also offer 30-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can get a full refund if you don't like it. They offer lots of other features like funnel builders, video hosting, webinar platform, and it's pretty much has everything you need for a digital marketing business. So if you're doing some sort of services for clients, then you're probably better off with Highlevel. But if you want to have like your own marketing business where you don't have clients and you just create content or you sell stuff directly to customers, then Builderall will probably be the better choice for you. So for your convenience, I've included the links to both platforms in the description box of this video so you can check them out. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.